Why does your scanner show the P0011 engine code? What does it mean? P0011 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position A, timing over advanced or system performance. It indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected that the intake camshaft timing for bank 1 is more advanced than the ECM's commanded position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty VVT solenoid. Worn timing chain or belt. Low or contaminated engine oil. Clogged oil passages. Camshaft position sensor malfunction. Oil leaks in the VVT system. Damaged or worn camshaft phasers. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code comes in various vehicles, mostly comes in Toyota, Nissan, Honda, Kia, and Audi vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.